Hey guys, today we are going to learn about fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole, consisting of a numerator, the top number indicating how many parts we have, and a denominator, the bottom number showing the total number of equal parts. For example, in the fraction 3/4, the numerator is 3, and the denominator is 4, meaning 3 parts out of 4. Fractions can be proper, where the numerator is less than the denominator, like 2/5, or improper, where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, like 7/4. Mixed numbers, such as 1 and 3/4, combine a whole number and a fraction. They are used in various real-life situations like cooking, dividing objects, and measuring distances. Mastering fractions includes learning to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them, often by finding common denominators or converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions. Recognizing the importance of fractions and practicing their operations builds a strong foundation for more complex mathematical concepts. That's all, folks. Subscribe to Speed Up Science.